Not only are bunk beds a great way to save space, but with an affordable bunk bed, you can also save money. We considered quality, features, and value when narrowing down the best choices possible. Here's our list of the top 5 best affordable bunk beds available now. Number 5. DHP Tailor Convertible Bunk Bed. The great thing about this bunk bed is that it's easily convertible. The DHP Tailor Convertible Bunk Bed is a great bed for kids sharing a room when space is limited. This design comes with storage drawers, shelves, and even pegboards for extra functionality. It has full-length 12.5-inch guardrails for safety, and the built-in ladder is solid and safe as well. No box spring is needed, although the maximum recommended mattress height is 6 inches. A good solid bunk bed. Number 4. Zinus Aileene Easy Assembly Twin Bunk Bed with Dual Ladders. Next up is this sleek and well-designed offering by Zinus. This space-saving and affordable bunk bed features their patent-pending quick lock assembly. The system allows for assembly in under an hour. It conveniently comes with 2 ladders, one on each side. A safe and solid construction, this affordable bunk bed uses high-strength steel. The weight limit is 175 pounds for both the top and bottom bunk. Additionally, we love that it comes with a 5-year worry-free warranty. Number 3. Walker Edison AZWSTOTES Wesley Wood Bunk Bed. This bunk bed stands out from the crowd with its handsome solid wood construction. This is a design that fits in with most looks. Not only is this bed easy to assemble, it also easily separates into 2 beds. A high-strength design, each bunk bed supports a maximum of 250 pounds. Safety is a priority with this bunk bed, and integrated ladder, guardrails, and support slats are all included. We also like that it's available in different colors and finishes. An excellent and affordable bunk bed that saves space and looks great. Number 2. Merax Bunk Twin with Trundle Bed and End Ladder. Another beautiful solid wood construction, this Merax bunk comes with an amazing third bed space, known as a trundle bed. This really makes it an amazing space saver. It's great for 3 kids or for company. We love the contemporary yet timeless look. Nothing beats real wood when making furniture in our opinion. It's a bit more work to assemble than others though. Safe, convenient, and useful, this is a very good bunk bed on a budget. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the best products on the market. Number 1. Storkcraft Caribou Solid Hardwood Twin Bunk Bed. When you need a high-quality all-around bunk bed at an attractive price, then look no further. This Storkcraft bunk bed is safe, sturdy, and even stylish. Not only is it made with wood, it's actually made with rubber wood. Rubber wood offers a denser, sturdier, and more durable material than commonly used pine. It also features a unique fastening system and full-length guardrails. Not only is it easy to assemble, but it also holds safety as its highest priority. All things considered, this is an award-winning bunk bed at an amazing price. Shopping for the right bunk bed at the right price can be a hassle, which is why we are only interested in the best options available for your needs. Any one of these affordable bunk beds would be an excellent choice overall to maximize your space and your savings. Head over to the description below for more detailed info on each of these bunk beds, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion.